Festival season, so great when you've got Boxy Mobile's unlimited data for social media.
Because you can see everyone's festival snaps and feel like you're there, even though you're not there.
Yeah, and it's only a tenner.
Unlimited data for social media.
It's so annoying when you get these annoying adverts and stuff like that. So annoying. Right, anyway, hi, hello to everyone. I say everyone, but I'm here alone. Well, you guys know what I mean. Let's get into the charts in a minute. Right, so French construction PMI at 830, German, stuff like that, and then UK. UK always tends to be an hour after, which makes sense. That makes complete sense, actually. Right then, back onto the charts we shall go. So we have a resistance level here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 highs, relatively equal highs. Just gonna copy and paste that over here because we have these relatively equal lows. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Which makes sense because you had this supply zone right here. which should fail because it's right at the top of Asia. So any supply or demand zones at the top or bottom of Asia, there's a huge likelihood that they're gonna fail. Like that. We're still stuck in a range on GBPJPY, so that's not too bad, I suppose. We took the daily high, but then we didn't break lower. So that's interesting. No, just the daily high. So we had this build up here, which price come out of, induced the low, and now we're going for the high because this zone should fail. But if we're selling and this inducement is the right one, that should hold. But because we got to build up and we swept the low first to go higher, it makes sense that we're gonna probably fail this zone, probably sweep the zone and then come to the downside. I'd like to see this zone fail. Just because we got relatively equal lows below it there, structural low there with the gap there, relatively equal lows here. So I'd like to see that fail, but I need more price action to get a better idea because I'm not too sure. So yeah, let's just keep an eye on that. This zone should fail. Because this led to these highs being taken, price come back in, didn't make a high, price come back in, so it made lower, low, lower, high, low, low, lower, high, low, low. So I'd expect price to come take this zone to then continue higher. That would make sense. Yeah, that's better actually there. Yeah, that's about right.
introducing an award-winning app.
Why these
2022's
YouTubes
most
have
popular
too many adverts? It's so annoying. Let's drag that over probably to Thursday then, and that'll probably go over to Thursday too. So yeah, I'm expecting that to fail. Also from this price action here, got a build up here. Yeah, and that makes sense actually, wouldn't it? We got 1, 2, 3 highs there. Oh, hey, Divya, morning. I don't know why I didn't see you there, bro. Why is the YouTube chat not working for? Eh? For some reason, it's not linking to YouTube. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Okay, so Streamlabs is not linking to YouTube, which is weird. But that's fine because I'll just have to keep an eye on the chat. Hi, David. How you doing? I'm just mocking up the charts. So I'm expecting this zone to fail. On M5 you got build up, sweep here. We might be able to look for shorts in a moment actually. But price did touch into this demand zone. I'm fine, bro. That's good. Yesterday I had some good trades actually. I got into GJ shorts, got break even. And then I was posting it on X, yeah, and whilst I was posting on X, I missed GU buys. I was like, I'm waiting for my 10 or yeah. You're in a trade, yeah? We need to be mindful of these equal highs here. Oh, that alpha deal is good. Yeah, I know. I told you, bro. Really good deal. Really good deal. Alright, so go on to M5. I'm seeing a build up right here. Copy, drag it over here to the top of there. And just extend that over there. This is looking at buys still want to go on. Looks like buys still want to go on. Because this zone looks like it's going to fail also because we've got relatively equal highs above it and we've got a build up of a channel. Price is naturally going to just like absorb that build up, isn't it? So it looks like buys are still valid. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lows there, but we've got way more lows on the higher side. Yeah, the Alpha D is really good though, man. Really good deal. As I said, if I didn't have so many accounts, I would have bought it, but I don't need to yet. Not yet. Okay, so these two are marked out. That zone's about to fail. That's perfect. At the same time, we're building a channel. Look, we built a channel here also. Could probably drag it from. Yeah, probably better. Let's go on M1. Yeah, like that. That's better. There you go. Zone failed. I am a absolute genius. You know what? Yeah, do it. Waka calls price action live. He doesn't do it live. Who does it live? Who does it live? I draw the zone failed. I know, I already know. I see why Waka has so much arrogance now. I get it, it makes sense. No. So yeah, you know, you get like excited in it once, like, you know, you do that innit? Okay, so price is coming down. This is good. I want to see more of a deeper push ideally, and then boom, we can take a buy. And then we can buy up to probably Asia high. But I'd use data alongside in it because I love using my data. My data is the favorite one for like making TP and stuff. Okay, so that's perfect there. We're right around the corner from this. Okay, I'd like to see a sell-off now. Got a build up, sweep. Now I want to see a breaker structure to the low side, and I can target these lows right here. That will be like a nice little trade, but then hopefully I'd like to be able to catch this zone down here. So if I can short it and get like a 3.5 pip SL and target these lows, that's 8 or I don't know if I'll get 30 pips. If I get 30 pips, it's 8.8. I don't know if I will, but we will see. We will see. We will what? See. Also, prices just tapped into the supply zone here. That's also really good. That's really good. That's good. I just write it as an order block in it. That's fine. Supply order block is pretty much the same thing. Now, if we break to the low side, then that's valid. Okay, so now see, I do want to short it because I think that zone's gonna fail, but I think price is gonna have to go higher to take Asia high and this high here for it to come low and take this in the demand zone out. I'll have to wait for that. Right, go to GU and see what GU is doing. I need this zone to hold. That'd be ideal. If it breaks the zone, that's not good. It's not good if it breaks the zone. Okay, lower, high, lower, lower, high, lower, high, lower. Keep on M1 on EU. Get ready for some EU longs. We're also seeing weakness in the DXY here as well. So Monday, Tuesday was the high of the week. So if you go on the weekly on the DXY, you're seeing it's made the wick. It should pull down into this zone again. So hopefully shorts look like a good idea. Let's quickly have a look at GU. GU's kind of like stuck in a range as well, man. We're bearish on this price leg here, but we're at premium. You want to sell at premium, buy at discount. But if you used to go on the 4 hour, the 4 hour will probably look something like that. Yeah, 4 hour looks exactly like that. I'm just sticking with 5s. Are you not gonna stay with you know, go with the deal I gave you? And a build up, sweep, continuation, build up, sweep, continuation. Now we got chop. Oh my god, GU is horrendous, bro. Look at this. Nah, it's a good deal, but I'll pass on it. It's up to you, bro. All I'm seeing from here is this. So we got build up in this way also. Build-ups don't necessarily have to be a channel. It can also be a sideways range. The price might come down to then break structure to go to the upper side. Now, oh my god, this zone's gonna fail. Look at that. This zone right here is gonna fail. Oh, I drew it wrong. Yeah. 1 and 5. That zone's gonna definitely. I want it to come low, break structure, and then go up. That would be beautiful. Because you've got all of these highs. And there's an equal low here also right there. We've had build up, sweep, build up, sweep, build up. That fell down there. That's consolidation. Yeah, I call it a build up. Consolidation and build up are the same things. Consolidations are really important actually. Okay, that zone failed. Consolidations are important because they give you a direction as to what way the price is gonna go.
Get iPhone 16 Pro.
I actually like looking at them.
When you trade in. Yours from £44.50 per month.
I need to get YouTube Premium, man, because of all these adverts and stuff. I do apologize. David, do me a favor, like the video and stuff like that. And apparently there's one more person here. I don't know. Is there another person here? Yeah, there's one more person. Please do me a favor, like the video, whoever the third person is. Consolidation is important, bro. Very important. Come on. Oh, so you're here on 2 devices? Really? Oh, David, you're a good man. That helps the algorithm. Thank you. Bye. You know the word bye. Bye. Anything for a mentor. No problem, no problem. That's funny. I like that. So as I said, we can definitely look for longs. DXY is rejecting. One of my friends trades ICT and he told me something that I agree on. On the daily chart, you have it where Monday or Tuesday makes the wick on the weekly candle. Wednesday, Thursday is the expansion, Friday is the retraction. So, you know, on the daily and weekly candle, you always get like a wick here, a wick there, and a body there. And we're saying on a weekly candle, Monday, Tuesday make the wick, Wednesday, Thursday make the body, Friday makes the wick again. I believe that because when you go on the daily chart and you look at the week every year in the week, you realize, wait a second, Monday, Tuesday, like it happens a lot. Not all the time, but it happens a lot. I was interested by that. I'm not an ICT trader, but it kind of made sense. And when you see it, then it makes more sense. This is good, yeah, because all we're doing is we're making more of a build up again in this little zone here. See, let's like another little build up again. But I need to be careful because this could be the case where price builds up, induces this, mitigates this and sells off. I don't want to see that. I do not want to see that. Oh no, wait. What? I don't want it to touch this zone. Actually, yeah, we can touch that zone. I think we can trade from there. I think we can trade from here, I think. Are you gonna take entries today or just watching? If I can see a clear trade, I'm gonna take a trade. So yeah, I was looking for an entry here. Okay. This is going to be a really fast entry, I think, so I'm going to have to be really quick. I might miss it on one of my accounts. The price is going to move too fast, bro. I got a feeling it's going to move so fast I'm going to miss it. So on here, we took that zone, we come back down. Now it's London Open. That should come down, and because it's an M5 there. I think this zone's gonna fail. Yeah, I think that zone's gonna fail, so I'd like to get into a buy here. I like to. Whether if I do is a different thing, but I'd like. Euro has some strong buys. Yeah, it looks more valid. It's gone M2 though. M2. Oh, M2 has a better price action.
Now it's even easier to sell for free on eBay. I was thinking, maybe I should sell that juicer we've used a grand total of.
Price might be a bit weird because tomorrow we got a rate cut for pound. This price action so bad on M2, man. Oh, the entry was about here. It was hard to tell because of this price action being so like close. Took a paper trade. Yeah. Well, that worked out wrong anyway, which is interesting. Frankfurt low is just here, so it's taken that. It might take this zone as well. That's why I was waiting. When I seen that break of structure, I was suspicious. Like it just, I don't know, it just looked suspicious to me. This could also be an invalid zone then. Look at that wick. Wow. Look at the size of the candle. Yeah, I know. The candle is a big one. See, I wanted to take buys. No, sells. Build up and do some. Yeah. I might need to cut the stream early. Actually, I might need to make a phone call. I might need to cut the stream early. I'm just yeah, I have to cut the stream. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here, bro. Thanks for coming and stuff. I just got something I need to deal with important in it. But yeah, just be careful because pound's got rate cut in it. Rate cut tomorrow. So there might be a bit of a problem with that. But I did want to buy up to these zones, but I don't know, man. I did want to buy here, but it didn't give me a pullback and a break a structure to go higher, unfortunately. EU, I think still EU and U, I still think it's gonna go up. I still think it's gonna go up for sure. But yeah, just be careful when you're trading and stuff like that, David. Sorry, I have to cut the stream early, bro. I apologize. Yeah, see you later, bro. Peace out, man. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it, David. I'll see you tomorrow anyway. The same time tomorrow. Peace out, my guy.